if I told you that going from zero to $100,000 isn't just possible, but faster than you think? The rich follow a system, a blueprint that turns small actions into big money. And today, I'm handing it to you, step by step. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven roadmap that works, whether you're starting from zero or just looking to fast-track your wealth. Chapter 1. Why most people stay broke. Ever wondered why most people never build wealth? It's not because they don't work hard. It's because they don't work smart. They trade time for money, spend everything they earn, and wonder why they're stuck. But the wealthy? They play the game differently. And the first step? Mindset. Let's fix that. Chapter 2. Step 1. Think like the wealthy. Ask yourself, how do millionaires think? They see money as a tool, not just something to spend, but something to multiply. And the key to multiplying money? Increase your income. Here's how. Chapter 3. Step 2. Increase your income. The biggest mistake people make? Relying on one paycheck. If you want to hit $100,000 fast, you need multiple income streams. Let's talk side hustles. Freelancing, AI-optimized skills. Learn high-paying skills like copywriting, coding, or AI automation. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines. Content creation, faceless YouTube, TikTok. People are making six figures without showing their faces. AI tools like ChatGPT can even write scripts for you. E-commerce and print on demand. Zero inventory, high profits. Sell t-shirts, mugs, or digital products with platforms like Etsy and Shopify. The goal? Turn one of these into a cash machine that works for you. Next, making your money work even harder. Let's invest. Chapter 4. Step 3. Save and invest smart. Smart money moves fast. Here's how to grow yours. Invest in index funds. Set it and forget it. These have historically returned 8 to 10% per year. Crypto and Bitcoin. Blockchain isn't the future, it's the now. Bitcoin's supply is limited. That's why billionaires are buying it. High-yield savings accounts. Keep cash safe while earning better interest. Want to double down? Leverage online income. Here's where the real money is. Chapter 5. Build passive income online. Imagine waking up and making money in your sleep. Sounds fake? It's real, if you set up the right systems. Top 3 passive income streams in 2025. 1 YouTube automation, faceless videos. AI-generated scripts. Cash flow on autopilot. 2 affiliate marketing. Promote products and get paid every single month. 3 digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, or online courses. No shipping. Pure profit. This is how the rich get richer. But there's one last thing. Chapter 6. Avoid these wealth-killing traps. Most people fail at getting rich because they fall into traps. Let's avoid them. Get-rich-quick scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more doesn't mean you should spend more. Debt traps. Credit card debt will destroy your financial future. The goal isn't just to make money, it's to keep it. And now, you know how. Chapter 7. The $100,000 Game Plan. Let's recap. Think like the wealthy. Money is a tool, not just something to spend. Increase your income. Side hustles and high-income skills are game changers. Save and invest smart. Index funds, crypto, and high-yield accounts. Leverage online income. YouTube, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Avoid wealth traps, scams, bad debt, and overspending. You now have the blueprint. The next step? Action. Start today, and in 1 year, you won't even recognize your bank account.